Just Cameron Moreland and Sports Director Charlie Sakaitis. NBC26 News at 6, keeping you connected.
We are following a storm alert here at NBC26. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect here for eastern Waushara County, also northwestern Winnebago County. As you take a look at storm shield radar, you can see we have a supercell thunderstorm here moving from eastern Waushara County into far northwestern Winnebago County. It is headed right towards the Lake Poygan area, and you can also see that there has been a little bit of a hook echo on this storm as it moves north and east at around 25 to 30 miles per hour. The main threat with this storm appears to be damaging winds and also large hail. Here's a look at what the Doppler radar is indicating as far as hail size is concerned here across parts of now western Winnebago County. It's showing hail up to a diameter of around 3 to 4 inches here. Now, typically, the rule of thumb is you cut that in half. Even so, that is golf ball size hail, potentially up to baseball size hail within this particular thunderstorm, once again making its way from eastern Waushara County into the northwestern part of Winnebago County. The storm has also shown some rotation. Here's a look at the velocity data. You can see it's not quite as well defined as it was maybe about 10 to 15 minutes ago, but certainly within this part of the storm, we could be looking at damaging winds in excess of 60, maybe up to 70 miles per hour right near Poygan, heading towards Lake Poygan, Winneconne, and then areas north and west into parts of northwestern Winnebago County. We have additional thunderstorms that are developing across the area, and there's still the threat that some of those could become strong to severe as well as we head through the next couple of hours. Severe thunderstorms produce destructive winds, damaging hail, deadly lightning. We can get tornadoes with little or no advance warning. And there's also the potential for some very heavy rain as well. A tornado watch remains in effect here for Waushara, Marquette, Green Lake, and Winnebago counties until 10 o'clock this evening. We've got a tornado watch because it was a warm day. Take a look at these highs. 82 in Fond du Lac, 81 in Sheboygan. We had a high of 80 in Oshkosh. Tomorrow's going to be another warm day, as you can see on the 7-day temperature trend, with highs mainly in the lower 70s. And then the bottom is going to drop out as we move through the weekend into early next week. Highs will only be in the 40s to around 50 degrees. Right now, we are looking at a mixture of 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s. We actually had a backdoor cold front move in from the north and east during the early afternoon. Behind that backdoor cold front, temperatures dropping 15 to almost 30 degrees in some cases within just a couple of hours. It is 57 right now in the valley. You can see low clouds and fog with a gusty northeast wind behind that backdoor cold front. In Green Bay, after a high of 77, it is now 56, and we have northeast winds gusting to around 30 miles per hour. Here's a look at storm shield radar, once again showing numerous showers and thunderstorms popping up across the area. Once again, the main threat is across northwestern Winnebago County as we move through the next 15 minutes to a half an hour. Large hail, damaging winds, very heavy rain. Once again, tornadoes can develop with little or no advance warning. That tornado watch extends back to the south and west across parts of Iowa this evening. There is a marginal threat for severe weather across much of the viewing area as we head through the evening, and a marginal threat means that 1 or 2 storms could be strong to severe, and that's what we've seen. But even with that marginal risk, there's always that low tornado risk, and we did have a tornado warning for Marquette County a little bit earlier. Here's a look at high-res future radar showing on and off showers and thunderstorms continuing throughout the night into tomorrow morning. The rain totals could be impressive, many spots picking up an inch or 2 with locally higher amounts possible. Flood watches remain in effect for areas north and west of the Fox Valley, where a widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain is likely, but some locally higher amounts are possible. Really depends on where the individual heavier thunderstorms track. If we get totals that high, then obviously we could be looking at some flooding. We've got a frontal boundary located across central Wisconsin. There's the backdoor cold front. It's actually going to return north as a warm front late tonight into tomorrow morning as that area of low pressure tracks north towards Canada. You can see that frontal boundary separating some winter-like conditions from some summer-like conditions across the central part of the country. We're still going to be on the warm side of it tomorrow, but without all that sunshine, it's going to be a little bit cooler. Highs will be mainly in the lower 70s. You can see on and off showers and thunderstorms will continue as we head into tomorrow. And once again, there is a threat for a strong to severe thunderstorm. Behind the cold front, turning sharply colder for Thursday with highs only in the 40s. That's a huge change. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be humid with some fog. Lows will be in the mid-50s. Tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms, lower 70s. Heavy rain is possible with any thunderstorms that do develop. Windy and much colder on Thursday. It looks like freezing temperatures Friday and Saturday morning with gusty winds both days. Temperatures running 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. Some rain showers, maybe a little sleet or some light snow mixing in on Sunday, especially north and west of the Fox Valley, and then staying chilly for Monday and Tuesday with temperatures in the 40s to around 50 degrees. So kind of a crazy weather day here across northeast Wisconsin. We've had pretty much everything except for snow, but the day's not over yet. It's only 6 o'clock, so it's